I seen friendly fire in there too.
Okay, we're just gonna take the alley. I'm going gung ho.
Oh wait, no.
Alright, I'm gonna try armor lock. Are these? Okay.
Hello. They're bringing more.
Ooh.
And you died.
Ooh.
And I died.
They stuck my feet. My stinky feet. Ugh. Fight them all.
Oh.
Ugh.
Oh. Oh my lord. Oh my word.
Grenades in the room. Grenades.
Yep, really? God damn me, Lewis.
I didn't do it until you were dead, so I had permission.
Oh my. Oh my word.
Where exactly did you go?
I fell over the ledge.
That was a beautiful combo. Ooh, we're doing it.
Huh?
We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it well. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it well. Oh.
I didn't know we. Woo! I'm gonna get.
The assault rifle is not trash, after all. Base on reinforcements.
Hello? Hello? How come I can't? Okay, there we go.
Activate the beacon. Activate the beacon. Ooh, never mind.
Oh my god!
I see.
There was an elite up at the top. Yeah, there was an elite at the top. I keep forgetting about it.
We made it. We made it. Ah, wait, bye.
I didn't.
Oh.
Hmm? Huh? No! Oh my god. My head just kept bobbing as soon as I hit the ground. Lewis? Lewis?
Oh shit, we got that's a ledge.
I thought you was about to send us to our doom.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, where'd you go? Oh, okay, bye.
Phrase. Why does my guy gotta just jump out the car with such pizzazz? Like, what the hell, man?
He's gotta do it with style.
I mean, there's style, and then there's whatever the hell he did.
Falling. Style. Oh shit.
What did you choose?
He was gonna kill me.
Ah.
You scared me. That's my defense. You scared me.
God Damn you, Lewis.
Yay! I'm getting this.
Oh,
Where did you go? Oh, you're over there.
hello?
Okay. Hey.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh my god, okay. Oh, okay.
The gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
Oh wait, was that a... Why was this here?
What?
This freaking assault rifle.
It's an AR.
Why not?
What's wrong? You sound so upset.
If I known it was here, I would have been shooting with that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
That's the gun over there.
Dealer boy. Oh, I'll never get that guy.
Get it online.
What the f... Really?
That's the gun over there.
We all died together.
Should be a reset control somewhere.
That's
to get it
insane.
online.
I'm sure Cat's in purgatory if we're dealing with two idiots who keep dying.
That's insane. Oh, did you throw it at me?
No.
What the hell, Lewis?
Well, I threw a grenade at him and then he threw one back. I dodged. You didn't. That's very fair. Where'd you go? Oh, okay.
Wow, okay.
I turned around and then everything turned into a fireball.
Yeah, I don't know where that came from.
Yeah.
Yep. I mean, can we just stop with the grenades for a second?
Oh.
Okay.
Ah!
Okay.
They said no.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
Running upstairs. Oh. I don't want to use my rockets, but if we have to, I will use my rockets. That didn't work.
Okay.
I couldn't use my rockets. You know what? We didn't go to the other building yet. That's one way to get inside.
Oh my!
I need a new strategy. Oh no.
One where we survive?
Yes. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
We're gonna die.
Why did you stop?
Because they turned off the car.
Don't let him turn off the car, Lewis.
I'm trying not to, but they hit us with the EMP.
Enemy reinforcements on the way.
I will keep shooting. Just don't let... Oh my god.
Ooh. Alright, we're going back to the... Going back here. Oh, my face!
Did you die?
Alright, I'm gonna try left flank.
That's all nice and dandy and all that. Give me the gun. Thank you. Who? Really?
Just going out with a bang, as they say.
Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
God damn it, Liz.
I'm just making suggestions. Oh shit. He killed us both. Holy.
That's the gun over there.
Okay, I see the super elite. Oh my gosh.
Get it online.
Take the stairs, I'll take the back. Woo. We're going again. Ooh. Activate, activate, activate.
Damn it.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control.
Are you relaxed yet?
No. Son of a bitch.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
Woof woof. I got stuck. Damn it.
You died?
Yeah.
You died.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
Taking the flank. One of them's gone. Going in. Clear. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Yes.
Taking point.
Alright.
Taking point.
Huh? Oh, God. Hold on.
I'm taking fire.
Oh, God. Okay. Oh, my God. Okay.
Ah! We're doing so bad.
Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
What happens when you leave me unsupervised?
Damn it. Damn you, kid. You're... Oh. There you go. One room's gone. Hello.
That grenade launcher don't do. Okay. The grenade launcher doesn't do anything to them.
Yeah. You only use it for splash damage. You don't really use it personally.
Okay, what the hell just happened?
Holy. Monkey noises. Monkey noises.
That is insane. Oh, okay.
It's you again.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
We'll go this way.
Gotta clear the grunts so they stop throwing grenades. Oh,
Seriously?
you didn't succeed.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control
Taco Bell?
somewhere to get it online.
I'm gonna go the other way so I can get to this other point. Oh, you missed me, bitch. Ow, okay. Ow, okay, you hit me. Oh my, okay.
That's the gun over
I
there.
saw the room explode. What happened?
Reset control somewhere to get it online.
Somebody was very, very petty.
They said this guy in particular? Kill him.
Oh my, I forgot about the elites right there.
My cat.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
Cat, start shooting or we're gonna die.
Hot damn. Hot pocket in my ass.
Thank you, Cat.
Ooh, my face.
Damn it, Lewis.
Well, I tried.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
Cat, start shooting. Otherwise, we are doomed.
Doomed. Doomed. Gotta make my rounds. Oh shit. Oh! Room's almost clear. Oh man, someone took the med kit. Oh. Well, time to die. Check your mic.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
There's a med kit inside. You heard me?
Wait, what?
There's a med kit inside.
Yeah, I'm trying. Ooh! Alright, he wasn't nice.
Damn it.
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere that is online.
Ooh!
Alright, I'm gonna fight fire with Needler.
Do they have fire? I wish we had fire.
That's what I'm calling it right now. Ah!
They're charging! They're charging! Ooh. Reinforcements are here. It just got a lot harder, boys.
Bitch, give me the gun.
No. They got a space marine.
Thank you, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I know.
Run! We're getting flanked.
Oh, dang, damn. Alright, that's one. Oh my god. Eh.
Woo!
That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere that is online.
Taco Bell.
Huh?
Oh, the hell?
I was running to get the Needler and I died.
That's the gun over there.
You got hit,
Reset
booked.
control somewhere that is online.
Ooh, they see my flank. Well, that's not gonna work. He ate a rocket. Reinforcements have arrived.
Alright.
Incoming. Ranger gone. Oh, another one. Beautiful.
Alright, another one.
Alright, time for the boss fight. You're a bitch. I need cover.
Wait, where are you at?
I need cover.
Where are you?
I'm doing it.
Are you up top? Nope, no.
Don't
Are you at the top?
die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't
Oh,
die.
damn, okay.
Oh. My boy pussy quivers.
But excuse me?
Yes. Got one of them. Damn it. I'm picking up the gun.
Ah, nice.
Where'd he go?
Right
Oh,
there.
He's okay.
He's in the air.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Nice work, Spartans. Head to Farragut Station and get that comms array up and running. Spartans, this is Sword Control. Thought you could use some
What is that?
firepower.
Ooh, I got something big.
Oh yeah, show me, Big Daddy.
Oh, okay. Calm down.
Hey man, you're doing show and tell. I said
You
show.
need to get that comms array online.
I wasn't expecting for all of that.
I mean, I got something big.
Oh, that hurts.
Wait, you got the sniper?
No, I got the DMR. And the
There's two
rocket.
snipers here. Wait, there's a sniper here.
Then take it.
No, I don't need it. I'm just saying, there's a sniper here.
It's not gonna do me much, but how much ammo does it have? Oh damn, this dude is like eating rocks. Okay.
Huh?
Dead body. Looks like he was eating rocks. How much ammo? I can't even read it. God damn it.